Hi, good morning.
Dear students, let us start today's session. We are going to discuss some exercise questions or activity questions given in your first chapter. In page number 6, we can see an activity box. It contains a question. Write I for input, P for processing and O for output in the pictures given below. That question is based on IPO cycle. IPO means input, processing and output. In every machine, there are these three steps: input, processing and output. Now let us go through the activity. First one, making of juice. First step is adding fruits. So the first picture we have to write I, adding fruits, that is the input. Now switching on the power, that is the second step. So in that small box we have to write P. The result is the juice. So near to that juice we have to write O. So making of juice, answers are in this way: I, O, P. That is the order given in your textbook. Second activity, making of shirt. Here the first step is taking the clouds. Second picture is the first step, input. Next step is stitching the cloth. The third picture shows processing. And the final result is the shirt. So the first picture shows the output. So we have to write it in this way: O, I, P. I think it's clear, isn't it? Very good. Now let us move to the next. Page number 8. Multiple choice questions. 4 questions we can see inside a box. We have to put a tick near to the correct option. The first question, the process of input, processing and output of data is called as dash. Is it computer system? No. Information. That may not be the right answer because information is the output. The answer is IPO cycle. Second question, the game you play on a computer is an example of dash. Game we play on a computer. Is it a hardware? No, we cannot touch games. So it is not a hardware. Is it a book? It's not a book. Then the answer is software. So put a tick mark on that small box near to software and also copy down the right answer in this question also. Okay. Third question, dash is not present inside the CPU box. Here we can see 3 options: RAM, microprocessor and printer. We have to find out which one is not present inside the CPU box. RAM and microprocessor, these 2 devices we can see inside the CPU box. Which device is not present inside the CPU box? That is printer. Okay, now fourth question, dash is an example of input device. Here also we can see 3 options: CPU, keyboard, printer. In these 3, which device is used to give input? Through CPU we can give anything? No. That is the brain. And inside the CPU the processing step is taking place. So it is not an input device. Printer. Printer gives the output in printed form. So the right answer is keyboard. So put a tick mark inside that keyboard. Good. I will repeat the answers. The process of input, processing and output of data is called as IPO cycle. The game you play on a computer is an example of software. Printer is not present inside the CPU box. And the last one is keyboard is an example of input devices. Very good. Now in page number 10, there we can see more fun in lab. It's an activity based question. Question is like this: visit to a computer lab. How will we do it now? Because we all are at home. Yes, last year we have gone to the lab and we have done the exercises also in the lab. So our experience in the lab so far, we will do the exercise. Hardware means the parts that we can touch. Which are the computer parts that we can touch inside the lab? Keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, and one more device, projector. So these are the 5 hardware parts that we can see inside our computer lab. These softwares we can see only on the monitor. Can you say some examples for 5 softwares? Gedit text editor, TaxMath, calculator, TaxPaint, and videos. Okay, so we have completed our activity. Very good. Now let us move to page number 12. In page number 12, at the end of the page, there is a small question, computer in everyday life. That is an application based question. I will read the question. Ria wants to watch a cartoon movie on the computer. Which part of the computer will display her favorite cartoon movie? Which part she can see the cartoon? On the monitor. So the right answer is monitor. Good. Second question. Suppose your parents have bought all hardware parts required for a computer. After the computer system is ready, which is the very first software you will install? Which are the main parts of a computer? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. If these 4 parts are present in a computer, then also we have to give something extra. That means we have to give some instruction to the computer, then only it will work properly. Which is the first software that is essential for a computer to work? It is system software. So system software is the first software we have to install. So right there, system software. Move to page number 13. Fun song. The activity B given in this page is the homework for today's session. So dear students, be safe at home and try to complete your work. Thank you.